Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can verify your email address. So in order to do that, first of all, you just need to open your settings, and after that just go ahead and tap on the top bar that has your name on it. And once you're there, you'll see the option sign in and security right above payment and shipping. Open it. Now you can see your email address. So if there is not a button that says verify your email address, then you have already verified your email address. As you can see, I have already done it, so I don't have that button. But if you have the button, then all you need to do is just tap on it, and after that your email will receive a code, and you just need to type in the code, and then you'll be able to verify your email address. So guys, that's how you verify your email address in your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.